Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Poco M4, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, like so, and this will display a bunch of toggles right here, but you can also swipe to the left, which will display additional pages with obviously more options. Here you can see we have our battery saver toggle, so once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It will basically get highlighted like it did, with the same color for the battery, and that's it. So power saving mode is right now enabled. Now, as you've seen, there is no info on what it will be changing, so I'll just kind of give you a heads up for what possibly might be happening with the most important one, more important option, which is the Wi-Fi and mobile data might be turned off, so the device, when you're not using it, so meaning in this kind of state, will disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data to preserve battery. Now, there is two options. It either might reconnect to it every like 10 minutes, 20, half an hour, I have no clue, but it could be reconnecting to it. So if you experience that a bunch of notifications are being delivered to you at once, then it's the first option. But chances are there's also a second possibility, which means that the device won't be checking for updates at all till you wake up the device, which is what I did just a moment ago, at which point it would reconnect to network, see if it's missing any kind of notification, and then just dump it all on you. In any case, I'm just kind of putting that out there. If you experience some kind of delay in notifications or just device not delivering it at all, just know that this is the power saving mode, trying to save power. Anyway, once you're done with it and you want to turn it off, find the toggle once again, tap on it, and your device will go back to functioning normally as it did before. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.